Today we're going to be working on shades of meaning or synonyms. For each of your screens, you have a main word. That's in white at the top. Then you have 5 choices below. There are 3 synonyms or 3 words that mean the same thing as the top word. Over here in the corner, you're going to have 3 check marks. You're going to click and drag them to the word that means the same thing as the top word. So after I read this word, I see the word is laugh. And I have chuckle, frown, giggle, grin, and cry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull my check mark to the ones that mean laugh. Chuckle means laugh, giggle means laugh, and grin means laugh. Now the other 2, if I look at them, those are called antonyms. They mean the opposite of laugh. Frowning and crying are the opposite of laughing. So your 2 that are left over are antonyms. Let's do one more. I have the word large. My words down below are small, big, tiny, huge, and gigantic. I'm going to take my 3 check marks and I'm going to find the 3 synonyms, or the words that mean the same thing as large. I have big, huge, and gigantic. And again, the words that are left over are my antonyms, or words that mean the opposite. Small and tiny are the opposite of large. If you go over here on the left, you'll see all the practice pages you're going to do today. And rain is going to be your last one. So when you're finished, turn it into Google Classroom.